And let's drink coffee and eat bipaw. I have cheese stick in spring roll Shanghai Hero. It's first day of the week, first day of school and office. Almost Eid holiday. I think next week the other school, most of the school no school already because it's an Eid holiday. Until this week, the last week of school. The Ramadan will in 31. I'm drinking my coffee in the balcony. I'm waiting for the sun, but the sun is not coming out. It's cloudy outside. You see, it's a cloudy. The sun is not yet come out.